Hi, I'm Desiree Valario, clinical herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm here to talk to you about chamomile aromatherapy. Chamomile has been used for over 2,000 years in the treatment of insomnia and nervous conditions. It is very effective on the mind and the emotions for calming and soothing, promoting sleep, and easing tension. There are many different ways that you can use chamomile in aromatherapy. A couple of them are you can add a few drops of the essential oil to some water and put it in a spray mister for a quick, easy way to add the scent to the air and soothe tension. You can also add a few drops of the essential oil to your bath water. And lastly, you can create a massage oil by adding a few drops of chamomile essential oil to a base oil of your choice and rubbing it onto the skin. I'm Desiree Valario, clinical herbalist, and this is Chamomile Aromatherapy.